Granada Hills. I had to work today, so the El Camino is not here. And I got a free hand because, man, they got a beer garden and they don't let you walk around with no beer. Wah, wah, wah. Sad, sad, sad. So anyways, a lot of cars out here, a lot of people. Granada Hills, Chamber of Commerce, car show, street show. We got all kinds of goodies out here. A lot of tail. So we'll try and be inconspicuous and see what we can see. Take a walk with me. Let's go. We got some bug life. Got the good vibes. Chucky hanging out in here. Net. You always got to have a gas can. A happy camper. Hold on. Let's get some tail. There's a lot of vehicles out here, so it's going to be a good afternoon. Say I had to work, so I'm only going to be here for a minute. Got another event rolling through later today. And let's see what we get before we got to get. Desirable ones. Hello, ladies. Old school. Old school, baby. Pumps, switches. Let's go. Never know unless you go. Guess what? We're gonna find out. Original, old smile. B-I-O. Looking good. Patina life. All right, got some Bombas. Window visor. Nice. 42. Is it 40? Tijuana, Mexico. Wrap around the other side here. Got people standing there. Go up the curb and of course they walk away. Old memories. Been here 5 minutes, gonna break a hip. This one from the backside since I didn't get that plaque. I want to show some respect for that plaque. Memories. Let's go, let's go. Granada Hills. All kinds of ACTION. A lot of BOOTY out here. Let's go see what we can see. 50. Got that hood ornament, baby. Popo rolling out. There's all kinds of cops here. Keep everybody safe, I reckon. Nice and clean. Yes, sir. Have a good one. Thank you for your service. Safety first. Clean ass Super Sport Camaro. See under the hood seat. Sexy, baby, sexy. Oh, that guy. Can't hardly recognize him without a ice cold carbonated beverage in his hand, though. What do we got over here? Pretty badass El Camino. Roll up on it. Walk up on it. Original. Super clean. Valley wheels. 327.
That's awesome.
49. Custom. Got a 350 small block in there. Down low. That guy. Good stuff right there. Check out the flake and that beautiful California sunshine. Woo-woo. Watch the curb. It's everything. Almost went down again, see? I need carbonated beverages. Things help me keep going. 62 bug. Alright, nice and clean. I like that touch. Pink is a nice color. Looking good. High window. Check this out. Instead of wood accent and now with wheels. Like that. That looks cool. Patina Love, baby. Patina Love. Nice and clean. The inside. Little muscle under the hood. All good. A lot of people walking by right now. Gonna have to trip somebody. One more time. Just make sure you see that. Great. 72 bus. Halloweened up. It's got little Kobe running with him over there somewhere. Gotta have that same head. Ooh, scary. Oh, rats. Spiders, slimes, tigers, bears, and boobies. A little Kobe down here. Little Kobe. 6 squad right here. Gonna be hosting an event tomorrow up at Los Toros in the afternoon, 5:30. A little toy drive or a candy trunk or treat action. Got some spookies. Spooky skeletons. That 6 Civic. Yeah.
Big Gracie like being back with the chassis.
Check out that wrap. If you can see that design in there, pretty cool. Suicide door. Freaks of nature. Garrett, where are you at? Getting that navigator. There's quite a few vehicles here too. Get some DJ chicka chicka choo. Mix it up right now. Backed up at 48 Bomba. Nice purple. Style Master. What do you got to say? Nope. Not today. Long, lean, and sleek. Nocturnals. Full radical on this. Full radical. Huh? Get the sound effects action, huh? Sauce out the bed. Nice setup back here. Hello, ladies. My best Val Venus impression. All right, some big Forgiatos right here. Nocturnals. Peekaboo, got this badass 6.3. See that paint gleaming? Lifestyle Car Club. Up and over the spectator. And blinded by that candy flake. Wrap it around. skirts. Focus. Brought some toys out here. 1960 Nash. Big block under there. The hood ornament in the trunk. Got that Continental kit, baby. Bomba. Deluxe. Forget about that hood ornament. It's a little breezy out here today. Helps up the temperature. It's not too bad. It was a hell of a windy a couple days ago. Died down. Probably close to 80 degrees. 76 ball with no 7.6. Fleet line side by side. That visor. Sexy, sexy, sexy. Old school and a little new school flair on that color. Felix. Straight. Old school upholstery. Sanford. 7. Read all about it. Respect for the plaque. That old Bomba, man, you gotta have a nice plaque from a nice traditional club. Nothing wrong with rolling solo. When you OG, you gotta run with other OGs, right? Wagon right here, super clean. Sick, as these younger kids would say. Got that painted wood effect. It's not real, but you know what it is? Really badass. Yeah. I'm trying to put up some competition for the accessory king. All kinds of action down here. Little luggage. The deluxe. Special deluxe. Old memories. Peekaboo on the inside. Got some patina love down here. Watch out, my damn step. Side window. Memories. Can never pay too much homage to the plaques. Old memories came rolling in deep. Let's show them some respect. Bring them out. Sign placard out here. Like that license plate holder. Got some music. We'll have to do a little dancing around ourselves over here. Alright. Safety first. Got that flag tucked in there. Safety, 1948.
People are breaking out on the floor. Don't turn it down.
Back it up. Back. Right by the speaker. Gonna do the damn thing. Nothing changed. 1939. On the inside, it looked like anyway. La Patrona Impala Super Sport. True spoke. Someone got some hot rod over there firing up. Gonna have to go check that out right quick. Pink Panther, you okay? Blink twice if in there without your will. Stat. La Patrona. This bad boy out. This thing is a real custom. Front to back, top to bottom. Drop it down. See what you can see. Got multiple steering wheels. How you doing?
Good, you?
Doing all right.
That's the head, though.
Badass Gremlin. 73. Showstopper. Thing is clean. Paperwork. Love it. Got a little lunchbox in there. The garage. Batman hanging there. The Hero Society. Little Gotham right here. Check out all the goodies. Fun. Good stuff. Throwing up the bat sign. Fight. Being a love right here. Steak bed. Love it. Dance around that music. Let's put on again the flat top.
For all the Cars Club guys showing up.
I don't know who was talking, but I think he got into my ice cold carbonated beverage. You didn't share that shit with me? Come on. 15 it up, 6 deuce. Oh yeah, baby. 15 of love. 409. Oh, this one's worth the ducats right here. Worth all the money. Bomb Pride.
Oh, I do it. Yep.
Get out. Moonwalk. Bel Air. Try and dance to that music. Now we are up here in Granada Hills, Chamber of Commerce. Car show, Oktoberfest, Beer Fest. We need some beers. We need some beers for sure. I'm gonna camp out on the side. So we won't be able to get the whole car right here. Hold on. Put it in four-wheel drive. Here we go. Nice and clean. All pride. Get that black. And then the cap. Folks. Like that. Story on the dash. Nice. Very nice. OG style action right here. Got the fuzzy fur up on the dash. Boots with the fur. Got some Kelly Collins in there. Pumpkin Vision. Give me 5. Alright, here's a nice clean one. Original. 56. Crime sucks. So does your mother. Who said that? Come on. Bring it back. That Continental kit. Plate for that bird. Got a 42-foot long edition Cadillac. Try and do some walk around while the DJ is talking. I got a little witchy.
Excellent dog.
Valley Life, USO Car Club, Freaks of Nature Car Club, Nocturnal,
Halloweened up.
Valley Classic, Main Line, Majestic, Midnight Breeze,
Spider-Man. All right, Trans Am.
All the car clubs, all the independents, all the bicycles, all the motorcycles, everyone that came out today, you guys go up.
Decked up. Spooky, scary skeleton. The only words I know.
Stay tuned. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for attending the Granada Hill Street Fair and Car Show.
Granada Hill Street Fair and Car Show. Keep out. Why would you get in? 57 drop top. Nice. Beautiful color, beautiful interior. Nice matchup. It is very nice. That Continental kit. Drive safely. Doesn't look like a Buick. Oh, it's a Buick. Don't know. Maybe no. Long, lean. All right. Get back into focus, Dave. Focus. No. No creepage. How you doing today? All right. Steve and his brother. Bringing them out. Bring them out. There come Bert. Drop top down for that sunshine.
Make a label or something.
That red. Huh? You're getting surrounded by people. Gotta cut through. Gotta do a little walkthrough action. So there's Jack. And over here, we got Sally. Jack and Sally. Back over here. 85. Jeep body. 67. Have that headlight cover. That's good stuff right there. You know what it looks like at night? If you're drunk, seeing that shit coming at you.
Ice cream.
Man,
Chips.
quit drinking. Quit drinking for life. The Moreno family. There's certainly a lot of cars here. Man, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get them all. Patina Life. Gonna have to stop dilly-dallying around. Put this shit in overdrive. Chevy Love. Here we go. Candyman out here, not making no noise. Slides up. Small block in there. Bring it back. Yep, got all the bells and whistles. Uso. Get that right there. Ford Fairlane. With that top. The inside. Check it out. Try and get to the other side before we get some copyright strikes. Man, you know, it's difficult, right? Got a nice cleaned up straight in there. Woo-wee. Here we go. We're done finding out. 64. Small block. Patina Love. Got that window cooler. Oh shit, look out. What is it in front of? El Liquor Storo. Alright guys,
Let's go.
crisis averted. We now have our ice cold carbonated beverage in hand. I was about ready to have to call for an ambulance. Anyway, the over-the-air announcement, they said they had 141 vehicles registered here today. That's a lot. They're getting ready to wrap stuff up, so we gotta run. Run, Sally? Is that how it goes? I don't know. Nice old bomba. Nice OG interior. Gauges. Watch out for the parking block. Choosy beggars.
Wow. That's cool. That's really
It looks so good. That's 59. Oh yeah, baby. Making you horny, baby. Gleaming. California sunshine. Up here in Granada Hills. Ooh, get blinded by the light. Full walk around on this one. Long and lean. Not the color of the sun, and his eyes probably are not green. 53. Very nice. Chucos. Patina Life, 49.
Number 229. Entry number 229.
Bomba.
All right, guys. You guys have a good day. All right, guys, I'm out of here, man.
Little sharks. Chrysler and say I'm not going to be able to get to them. They're getting ready to roll out. More spooky, scary skeletons up in there. Pontiac. All right, so we'll go through here quick version. A couple of Corvettes. And it's because things are winding down. Never mind what you got on my cup. All right, let's follow over here. Oh man, it feels nice in the shade. 64. That nice interior, it's clean. Lifers. Oh, drop it back. Lifers. That's 6'4" wagon. Original. Oh, with the back bench. I had one like this. Had to give it up. Got the little footsteps right there. It's all in the details. 64 hardtop. Had to keep it low. Taking a drink. The fuzz came by. That 6 deuce. Woo-wee.
Entry number 115. 115.
Race cars. Lowriders. You can see a lot of both genres tomorrow of all Makes it models tomorrow at the Galpin Ford. Original 442. How you doing? All right, all right. Boo Boo's Ice Cream out here. Boo Boo's Ice Cream, got all the goodies.
You know it, your Boo Boo's ice cream truck.
Hey, Boo Boo.
Check us out, Granada Hills.
Got all the homies. Ice cream, chips, candies. And on the nighttime, got some ice cold carbonated beverages as well. Gonna run through. Just gotta go, left my charger off with somebody. The accessory mobile. Let's do the bounce back and forth. Gonna get the short version now. Seriously. Super Sports Bell.
Entry number 128. 128. Entry number 128.
Don't forget about, I'm gonna pass over any
128.
El Camino love. Colors of success.
All right. Entry number 227.
Let's get down to the end. At least when we can say that we got all the cars. Colors of success.
219. No, going once.
Going twice, going 3 times.
All right. Entry
That trade
number
day.
207. 207. 207. Entry number 207.
Peekaboo.
No. All right. Moving on. Entry number 188.
Sorry, we ain't got enough time. But you get the idea.
167. 167.
All right, all right,
Entry
all
number
right.
167.
Pay some respect here.
167. Andy, whoever that is.
Goes
167. I hear somebody screaming his name. All right.
Oh my.
167.
Colors of success. Respect to the plaques.
All right. Entry number 126. 126.
Got an 8-track.
Entry number 126. 126.
Got that Ribby.
How many cars you got?
Monte Carlo.
What's your friend's car?
And a 6.3.
All right, it's upside down. All right.
That Malibu.
194, 194,
Malibu Express.
194.
At 39.
Here comes.
Tony.
Run.
That's Glim and Glitter. If this guy wants.
Entry number
Big
163.
454 block in here. I keep saying I gotta run through it, but hey, let's go.
Entry number
Hard to
149,
keep running through.
149. Entry number
You got all these
149.
nice vehicles to look at.
No?
Felix, what you got to say?
149.
Straight 6.
All right. 139, 139.
At 619.
What are you doing for?
Uh-oh.
Oh, God.
Uh-oh. Rod? Uh-oh.
217, 217.
Some minion action.
Entry number
Oh,
198,
Another
198.
wagon. Load up the kids.
198.
We're going to Sears.
Entry number 198.
Yo, this is the best car.
Okay, entry number 110. 110. 110. 110.
Got a lot of people walking through here.
You seriously don't see it.
Ghost Flames on there. You see him? What about that little billet box down there? Diamond plate.
More like that. That'd be like
Another ribby.
110. 110. 110.
Say, do the lights work?
Congratulations.
Roadhouse. Hold on. Yeah.
Entry number 101. 101. 101. Entry number 101.
50-foot Cadillac.
101.
They're bouncing.
Well, I know they're here because their car is here. I remember the first car that was here.
Got that Merc.
He's probably at the VFW, you guys.
Lift it up.
Okay. Entry number 144. 144. 144. 144.
I'm guessing these are some stockies on there because those wheels look a little too small.
No?
Chucky waiting, hanging out over here. That's 6
144. Oh, he's running. Run! 113.
Let's go. Smashing over here. Everybody running around.
113. 113.
Homie Ray just got a
Entry number 113.
little Kobe one running up to go get it. Everybody's loving that. All the people out here.
Entry number 105. 105. 1196. Entry
So
number
many people hanging out in the
196.
shade over there. All the people. A lot of love. No hate.
Entry number
Ray over here,
187.
Kobe.
187. Entry number 187.
Gotta hold up that little plaque. Hey now.
187.
Nice, congrats. That flake. Saw this on the other side. All right, we almost got a lot of puppies out here. People. What do we got here? 6'4". Patina.
Entry number 221. 221. 221. 221.
Upholstery. Go home and
221.
go home and get the 6'4".
All right. Going once, going twice. We're going into the last
Patina
stretch
love,
of
baby.
10, so I hope
Patina
somebody
and El
pulls
Camino
it.
love.
So entry number 178. 178.
So they get a little extra love.
One,
Through right
seven,
here,
eight.
all the people. Bounce it over the top.
Congratulations.
Right, bounce through right
Entry
here.
number 186. 186. Entry number 186. Bingo.
60. 4-door
Entry
Nomad.
number 225.
Saw this
225.
one Nomad.
Alright, we're going in the home stretch.
4-door. Never be mad at a
Entry
Nomad.
number 210. 210.
That
210.
long, clean line.
210.
Tesla can kick rocks, right? Don't make them like they used to. Step aside. The cops are on to me. Nice clean 61 right here. Little patina love on there. Do slow motion.
Entry number 181.
Got the skirt.
181.
Got that
Entry
booty.
number 181. 181.
And up here in Granada Hills, Chamber of Commerce Car Show. This 61. Beautiful. BEU to the T to the full.
Entry number 222. Entry number
Breeze.
222. Entry number 222.
Deuce is wild.
Entry number
61.
162.
Nice read.
164. Nobody?
Little 2-for-1 action.
All right. Entry number
Nice.
142.
Oh, watch my step. People all over still. Running through. Hardly running, but they're walking. Is it a 40?
I want to say hi to the ball.
Special edition. Oh. Pat, pat. Are you my daddy? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
We were at his house last year. Yeah, right. Yeah, we were down in the house last year.
That old school Supreme. Hello. Supremes.
And lastly, entry number 166.
Keeping it respectful, not being a creeper. Apache Special Edition. It's a nice, huh? Oh, hey. No, focus, focus, focus. All right, the Halloween spirit going on right here. Sounds like Oktoberfest. Beerfest is over there getting all riled up. And this full custom. With that beautiful paint. Badass pearl. Grill big enough to cook enough steaks for everybody. Full rep that back. Alright, well, I think we got all the cars. They're still over there shouting them out. We didn't get to get them all in detail. Kind of cut short on time. I believe that Home Depot wants me to work on Saturday. To miss this good stuff? Come on, we're outside. Don't know unless you go. We done found out on the way home. Ray over there got himself a trophy, a placard. We got a full focus. Full beer fest going on in there. Man, we're gonna have to go over there and maybe that's where the ladies are hanging out. There was a lot of ladies out here, but again, try not to be a creeper. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed. If you have not done so thus far, please do so. I appreciate it, man. When I look on my screen right there and I see somebody clicked on, man, it means a lot to me. Thank you, everybody. So hopefully I'll continue this route. Anyways. A lot of yapping. All right, so we're gonna maybe a little creeper action going on back there. It's not creeper. Until the next time. Later tonight. Like, subscribe, thumbs up. Never know unless you go. We done found out. Let's go.